Here we are in the pilot house Ketch, listed with Boatshed.com. Just stood down from the wheelhouse. You can see the steps there, looking over towards the galley. 2 freezers and a fridge, all electric. You just come through this way here. You can see the appliances. It's just a stunning, amazing boat. Small little heads there as we come into the engine room. Gardner 150 horsepower. 2 great big generators. But I mean, you can see just how clean this engine room is. Bring you back out from the engine room, back into the galley, looking across. You got a saloon area and table there. Walk through into the aft cabin. Really nice sized heads just here on the starboard side. Lots of really tasteful features. Really good shower facility. Even just that light, the attention to detail. And coming into the aft cabin, you've got some seating, bookshelf, little berth there, and a really nice double. I mean, this room is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous room. Got a nice vanity area just there. And then if we bring you back towards the galley, into another saloon area. You've got 2 little pilot berths there that aren't really little. That big hatch opens up so that you could actually put larger objects down through the hatch. And just look at the fireplace there. It's just a stunning, stunning boat. So spinning you around again. Again, you can see the little berths either side. And then bringing you forward into the forward cabin. Again, a really, really nice, lovely berth. With another heads. And just bring you back out, looking aft, through the saloon, back to the galley, where we come up the companionway. Even just nice little touches like that handle there, you can put your hand on as you come in.